Getting ready to begin the Alkali Flat Trail here at White Sands. Beautiful, whole other world compared to where we were in the park yesterday. It is beautiful. Hopefully we're going to see some pretty awesome things and wander in the dunes for a little bit this morning while it's still cool. Alright. Here's a sign with some helpful information suggesting that we stay alive. We got plenty of water with us, so 2 liters for every person. Yeah, we got it. Alright, first dune climb. I see a sand angel. Whew. So far has been pretty easy to follow, but I don't know about wanting to be out here in the dark. So fine. The wind feels nice. So we're about a mile in. There we go. I can honestly say skipping this trail would have been a mistake. Come the White Sands, you absolutely have to do the Alkali Flats Trail. Look at this pile of sand up against this tree. I bet there's all sorts of critters living around here. This random tree, middle of the desolation. Shade and comfort for a lot of creatures, I'm sure. There's more trails. Animal tracks. See, we're almost at the end of the dune field. Very cool. Let's do it. King of the dunes. Wow. Only two other people out here. All right. We are approaching White Sands Missile Base border here. Be surprised if there's not a fence, but there's going to be a sign to not cross. White Sands Missile Base has been a huge part of our country's defense, developing missiles. This area is formerly known as responsible for the first atomic weapon. Pretty much every advance in rocketry and space exploration. This is it. Sure, further we go, there's a fence, but we won't be crossing this today. Getting back on our trail. Let's see if we see any creatures. Beetles. Burrowing. And there is another earless lizard chilling. See that in the sand is an earless lizard. These have adapted. The only place in the world these are found are here at White Sands. They've completely changed their color to adapt to this landscape so they can survive, but you won't find them anywhere else. Look at them go. Scampering away, little buddy. And under there, you can see another earless lizard hiding in the shade in the heat of the day. Approaching the trailhead. A lot more people here, real close. sledding, and some people just go a little ways into the dunes. Some people don't even wear a shirt. Don't know about that, but I'd worry about getting sunburnt. Alkali Flat Trail. That was very fun. Highly recommend it. I know most people don't make it too far into the dunes, but if you have a chance to go to White Sands, I highly recommend Alkali Flats. I'll do a recap in a moment, get to the car, let you know what our stats were. Alright, we just wrapped up the Alkali Flats Trail. It was really nice. So it's a little over 5 miles. If you don't take any side quests, we had some side quests. We will locate some earless lizards and a lot of darkling beetles, and get to explore the terrain as a whole. We also were able to come close to the White Sands missile range base and get to see a little bit of that from a distance, and I highly recommend it. It's so immersive. Once you get just a couple of minutes in, even, you're surrounded by dunes, and it is peaceful. It is vast. It is beautiful. So highly suggest Alkali Flats Trail, White Sands National Park. Thanks for watching. Post-credit scene. Look at the sand on my shoe. Remember, empty your shoes when you're done with the hike. You want White Sand staying in the park.